In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is Certification Maintenance Winter 25 in Salesforce. If you hold a Salesforce certification, keeping it active means completing quick, release-specific updates on Trailhead. Each release, spring, summer, and winter, comes with short modules that explain what changed and include a quiz. Today, I'll show you the exact flow using a maintenance module as the example, so you know what to expect and how to complete yours smoothly. First, open your browser and go to trailhead.salesforce.com. Sign in with your Salesforce login. Use the same Trailhead account that's connected to your certifications so your completion records correctly. After signing in, you'll land on your Trailhead home, where you can see your profile and points. If you're prompted to confirm permissions or account connections, accept them so your progress can sync. Next, use the search bar at the top and type Agentforce Specialist Certification Maintenance, Summer 25. This module is a great example of how maintenance works. It's a short, release-specific unit that highlights what's new for Agentforce in the Summer 25 release and includes a brief quiz at the end. Completing it ensures the Agentforce Specialist certification stays current for that release window. Even though today's topic is Winter 25, the process is identical. Just search for the Winter 25 labeled module for your certification when it's available. From the search results, click the module that exactly matches the title. On the module page, you'll see an overview, estimated time, and the number of points you'll earn. This page confirms you're in the right place and shows what you'll learn. Click Start to begin. If you've already visited the module, this button may say Resume. Starting enrolls you in the module and opens the first unit. Now carefully read all the information in the unit. These maintenance modules focus on what changed in the release, why it matters, and how to apply it. Take your time, open any linked resources, and note feature names and behaviors. Those details show up in the quiz. When you're ready, take the quiz at the end of the unit. Answer each question, review your selections, and submit. If you miss anything, don't worry, you can try again. When you pass, you'll earn the points and see a completion checkmark. Your maintenance credit typically syncs to your credential automatically. Allow a little time for it to reflect on your profile. That's it. You've seen how to access Trailhead, find the correct maintenance module, start it, and complete the quiz so your certification stays up to date each release. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.